Here I have Mitsubishi Outlander. Let me show you how to customize the audio source menu. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the settings button. From the list of settings, choose here customize menus. Now let's select here customize audio source and let's tap OK. So now you can customize this menu, this shortcut menu. For example, if you don't want to use the AM, you can just drag the Android Auto, for example, or Apple CarPlay. Let me use, for example, Apple CarPlay and use it instead of AM. Maybe also let me change the USB to Android Auto and tap Save. All right, so now if you use the music button, you should see that here you've got the Android and Apple CarPlay instead of the previous version. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.